Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix this app is not available in your region error in Google Play Store. So first go to settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Then from this page, you need to locate the Google Play Store or simply search for it using the search icon in the top. Select Google Play Store. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Uninstall Updates. This will revert the Play Store to its factory settings. Then find Google Play Services in the same apps section, or you can use the search bar and search for it. Go ahead and tap on it, and then again select the three dots in the top right corner. Select Uninstall Updates, and then scroll all the way down, go to Storage. Click on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application or disable it and re-enable it again. Then open the Play Store and search for the app to see if it works. If that does not work, try using a VPN. Install a VPN app and it will connect to a server in a different region and then search for the app you want to download in the Play Store. This might definitely help you fix the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.